Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your shopping experience easier. Today, we're excited to showcase one of the most unique and festive items for DIY craft lovers, the best candy corn beads available right now. These adorable 2,4 PCS resin candy corn beads are perfect for all your fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas crafts. These beads are made from high-quality resin, ensuring they are both durable and lightweight. The design features the iconic orange, yellow, and white colors that scream Halloween, making them ideal for any spooky-themed DIY project. At approximately 1.5 cm by 2 cm in size, each bead is just the right size for jewelry making, including bracelets, anklets, and necklaces. What makes these beads stand out is not only their cute design but also their versatility. Each bead has a drilled hole, making them easy to work with. Whether you're using crystal thread, nylon thread, or wire, these beads can be incorporated into any jewelry making project. And if you're not into jewelry, these beads are perfect for other crafts, like keychains, mobile phone straps, and even home decor. The great thing about these beads is that they come in a pack of 24, so you'll have enough for all your crafting needs. Whether you're planning to make gifts for your family and friends or want to add a personal touch to your home decorations, these beads are a perfect choice. Plus, they're a great way to get your family and friends involved in DIY projects and share the fun together. These resin beads are also highly durable, meaning they won't easily break, deform, or fade. This gives you peace of mind knowing your crafts will last for years. They're not only great for the holiday season but also make for fantastic year-round decorations if you're into quirky and creative designs. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a fun, festive, and durable option for your jewelry making and crafting needs, the 2,4 PCS resin candy corn beads are definitely worth checking out. Perfect for Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and more, these beads will add a touch of whimsy and color to your crafts. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews.